Hello everyone and welcome to our today's YouTube video where we will explain the months of the year in German. In this video, we will go through the months of the year in German and provide you with a brief explanation of each one. Whether you are a language lover or just curious about different cultures, this video is perfect for you. So let's dive in and learn together. Januar. It is the first month of the year and is associated with New Year's celebration and cold winter weather. Februar. It is the shortest month of the year and is famous for Valentine's Day and the Carnival season. März. It marks the beginning of spring and is known for the International Day of Happiness and St. Patrick's Day. April. This month is associated with April Fool's Day, where people play pranks and jokes on each other. It also includes the Easter holiday. May. It is a joyful month as spring is in full swing. May Day or Labor Day is celebrated on May 1st. Juni. This month marks the start of summer with longer days and warmer weather. Father's Day and Midsummer Festival are observed in June. Yuli. It is the hottest month of the year, with summer vacations and beach outings being popular. August. This month is associated with the harvest season and it includes the International Youth Day. September. It marks the beginning of autumn with changing leaves and harvest Thanksgiving. School usually starts in September. October. Halloween is celebrated in this month and it is also the time for famous Oktoberfest. November. It is a month of remembrance with observance like the National Day of Mourning and St. Martin's Day. The last month of the year, December. This festive month is filled with Christmas celebrations and it ends with the New Year's Eve festivities. Let's take a moment to revise and recap the months of the year in German. So, are you ready? Here we go. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Remember, revision is an essential part of learning. It helps you retain what you have learned and boosts your confidence. So make it a habit to review regularly and watch your progress soar. And that brings us to the end of our adventure through the German months of the year. We hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as we enjoyed sharing this knowledge with you. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting language lessons. Thank you for joining us today and until next time.